दिखेगा जास्कर रेंज। और ये क्या है आपका नंगा पर्वत पिक। व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज योर ग्रेटर हिमालय एंड हियर वी हैव व्हाट? नामचा बरवा पिक। And it has been broken. If I say that middle Himalayas, its broken feature is known as Pir Panjal range. This is what I said that first. Pir Panjal, and it is in Jammu and Kashmir. Second, I said that it is Dhauladhar range. Middle Himalayas I am talking about. Dhauladhar range in which one I said? Himachal Pradesh. Third, in Uttarakhand, I said that Nag Tibba. And which range? Mussoorie range in Uttarakhand. Understood? And then fourth, it is Mahabharata range in Nepal. In which I said that? In Nepal, which one I said that? So which are the middle Himalayas broken parts? Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar, and I said that Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar, Nag Tibba and Mussoorie and Mahabharata range. इसीलिए जास्कर रेंज और जिसको ग्रेटर हिमालय एंड पीर पंजाल रेंज में है कश्मीर वैली। वो हम आएंगे अभी। I said thereafter this is I said that third and fourth one is I said that Mahabharata, fourth one is Mahabharata range. Now Shivalik, fifth I said Jammu Hills. Which one I said that? Jammu Hills. Sixth, Jammu Hills in the Jammu and Kashmir. Sixth, Dhundwa range in Himachal Pradesh. In Uttarakhand, Dhang in Uttarakhand. Sorry. And in Nepal it is Churia and Muria hills in Nepal. Understood? In Nepal it is I said that Churia and Muria. Clear? But further it has been merged in Arunachal Pradesh. I said 8th and this is 9th. In Arunachal Pradesh, Dafla, Miri, और ये दोनों मिल गए हैं। I have said that it has been merged in the what? Arunachal Pradesh. Dafla, Miri, Abor, Mismi. Yes, Dafla, Miri, Abor, Mismi. एक लड़का है डफर, उसका नाम है मीर, सिविल सर्विसेज तैयारी किया, हुआ नहीं, अब शादी कर लिया, अब भोर में उसको मिस पटक के मारती है, पटकाई बूम बिकम्स इन द, वो ऐसे इधर आ जाता है, डाफला, मीरी, अबोर, मिसमी और पटकाई, इट इज बिकम पूर्वांचल हिल्स. तो पटकाई बूम is also in Arunachal Pradesh, but it has moved like this. So it is not in a Himalaya, but it is in a what? Purvanchal Hills. So its force is and its height is what? Less. Understood it? Understood? Clear हो गया? So why it has been broken? And ध्यान से next point लिखेंगे, जब ये collide हुआ, when it has been collided with the high force, then this section has been opened. The clogged portion of western syntaxian band opened, and there is a formation of large valleys. So eastern Himalaya is devoid of valleys, but western Himalaya is having valleys. So write down. Next point: when the eastern Himalayas collided like SRAM shutting of the door. Eastern Himalayas नहीं है, sorry, eastern syntaxian band. Himalayas बोल रहे हो आप लोग. When eastern syntaxian band collided like SRAM shutting of the door, then western syntaxian band opened. Western syntaxian band opened, and it led to the formation of large valleys in western Himalayas. Large valleys in understood? So there is a large valleys in western Himalayas and what? No valleys in eastern Himalayas. So, and one of the large valleys around 400 km wide, and it is what I said that between Jaskar and Pir Panjal range. Which one it is? Kashmir Valley. Which has been formed? Kashmir Valley between Jaskar range and Pir Panjal range. It is the one of the largest valley. Clear? And then valley between, आप लोग जानते होंगे, valley between middle Himalayas and Shivalik is Doon. और why not Doon in the east? समझ में आ चुका है. There is no valley. और इनके बीच में जो ये valleys हैं, these are known as what? Doon. So we have been able to get. So what is about the western Himalayas? समझ में आ चुका है. वेस्टर्न हिमालयज इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश एंड ऑल. तो ये सारे माउंटेन रेंजेस. पहला कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या था? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स? सिंटैक्शियन बेंड. सेकंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आई टॉक्ड अबाउट व्हिच? कन्वेक्स स्ट्रक्चर. थर्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आई टॉक्ड अबाउट ऑर्थोक्लिनल स्लैम सेटिंग ऑफ द डोर, ईस्टर्न हिमालयज, मिड मुंगेरसर से दरभंगा रीज एंड ऑल स्ट्रक्चर आई टॉक्ड अबाउट. उसके बाद जो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया वो ईस्टर्न में क्या हो रहा है, वेस्टर्न में क्या हो रहा है, वेस्टर्न हिमालयज एंड ईस्टर्न हिमालयज, एंड विच आर द माउंटेन रेंजेस, विच आर द पिक्स इन द वेस्टर्न एंड ईस्टर्न हिमालयज. सो 5 कैरेक्टर्स आर देयर. Syntaxian bend, Sivali and Aravalli and Shillong, and then convex, then orthoclinal plain, and then western Himalayas and eastern Himalayas. Understood? Few things will be there. And then write down Purvanchal hills. What are the Purvanchal hills? So Purvanchal hills are, this is a Patkai, Patkai Bum, this is Naga hills, this is Manipur hills, This is Mizo and Lusai Hills, and is also known as Blue Mountain, especially Lusai. And here we have 1, 2, 3. One it is Kachar Hills, जो कल आपने देखा था. There is a national waterway 6 on the Barak River. It is passing through the Kachar Hills. और यहीं पर सिलचर आप लोग देखते हैं. This is, I said, that Mikir Hills in Assam. This is Mikir Hills. And this Mikir continuation in Nagaland, it is known as Rengma Hills. Very same it is when it comes into Nagaland, its name become Rengma Hills. It is in a continuation of what? Mikir in Nagaland. और नागालैंड में इसे क्या कहते हैं? रेंगमा. Understood? Understood? So which are the hills we have seen? As the Purvanchal Hills, Patkai, Naga, yes, Manipur Hills, Mizo and Lusai, Kachar Hills, Mikir and Rengma. Understood it? Clear? Now, next point we are going to see, this is, you know that, और ये आपका क्या है? Shillong Plateau, and Shillong Plateau is consist of Garo, Khasi. कोई पढ़े या ना पढ़े ये तो सबको याद रहता है ना? These hills everyone remembers, but it is not in the Purvanchal Hills. Garo, Khasi, Jaintia. What I said that? Garo, Khasi, Jaintia. And it is in a part of Eastern Ghat. It is in a part of Eastern Ghat. जो आपने अभी देखा है, अभी मैंने बोला था, this is in a Shillong Plateau. Eastern Syntaxian Band is what? तो सबसे ज्यादा फोर्स लगा था. Yes or no? This Shillong Plateau में क्या हो गया? ये पोर्शन क्या हो गया? Broken downward. क्या हो गया? Downward. At the time of collision, I said that there is a downward has been taken place, and then Shillong Plateau has been divided into two parts. One, it is this side is Rajmahal Hills, and other side is Garo Hills. And in between there is a gap has been created, and that is known as Rajmahal Garo gap. Understood? So because of the collision is very strong, therefore what happened? This region has been hard structure. Hard structure, I said that बड़ा सा hard structure कैसा हो गया? Force इतना था कि it has been what? Downward. Understood? Fold नहीं, इसको बोलते हैं बड़े से रीजन नीचे चला जाए या ऊपर हो जाए. Up warping and down warping. So then I said that, तो हम लोग क्या देखेंगे? At the time of collision of eastern syntaxian bend of Shillong Plateau under high compressional force, Shillong Plateau downwarped, and this gap is known as Rajmahal Garo gap. And in this Rajmahal Garo gap, I said that Ganga and Brahmaputra deposited the sediment and it became Bengal plain, West Bengal and East Bengal. So write down. When eastern syntaxian bend, collided with high force, then Shillong Plateau, portion of Shillong Plateau faces the phenomena of down warping and this is known as, this downwarp region is known as Raj Mahal Garo Gap, known as Raj Mahal Garo Gap. In this gap, Ganga and Brahmaputra river deposited sediment which became Bengal plain, which became Bengal plain. Understood? Of the present West Bengal and Bangladesh. Of the present West Bengal and Bangladesh का जो देख रहा है, it has been formed. So we have completed with some few characteristics are also there जो आप लोग पढ़ते रहते हैं. These characteristics, you know that there is an शिवालिक रेंज के different characteristics होंगे. Yes, and one it is I said that Punjab Himalayas, Kumaon Himalayas, Nepal Himalayas, and then Assam Himalayas. जो कि इंडस से सतलुज तक हम लोग क्या देखते हैं, इट इज पंजाब हिमालयस, सतलुज टू काली रिवर वी सेड दैट कुमाऊं हिमालयस, काली रिवर टू तिस्ता रिवर इट इज नेपाल हिमालयस, एंड नेपाल टू आई सेड दैट ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर जहाँ पे नाम चाहिए इट इज असम हिमालय. तो ये सारी चीजें यू कीप आप लोग पढ़ते रहते हैं, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग. अंडरस्टूड? सो दीज आर द, इट इज इन अ काइंड ऑफ आई सेड दैट another you can be able to see division, it is आप लोग easily आप समझते हैं. So major portion that I have finished, and tomorrow I'll go with I said rock structure and I said that drought. These two section we have to finish, and most of that thing after that we have done earlier in the classes. Understood? So tomorrow we'll finish with the rock structure. Archean we'll have to see. Yes, Purana we have to see. We have to see Dravidian and Aryan. These are the four major rock structures in India. Which I said that? Which are I said? Archean, Purana, Dravidian, and then Aryan. Understood? जो आज मैं कुछ पीरियड्स याद कराऊँ वो जरूरी होगा, कल भी कुछ मैं आपको पीरियड्स वगैरह याद कराऊंगा, and thereafter I'll go with this rock structure.